Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 9th history, lesson number 1, French Revolution. As in previous video we have discussed about the social causes of French society. According to that, we were able to know that how in the French society, which were divided in the main 3 categories, people of the country decided to change the system of government. Now we have to discuss the political causes of French society during 18th century. In political causes, we are going to discuss about the policies which were made by the government of 18th century. So here we are having that time in French society mainly 3 type of taxes were there. First type of tax was known as tithe. Tithe was the tax which was levied by the church. According to this tax, 1/10 of the agricultural produce should be provided to the church by people or farmer who were engaged in farming activities. As we are discussing, you are able to understand that tithe was religious tax which were taken by the clergy from the people of the France. Second type of tax was tithe. Tithe was also a type of tax which was paid directly to the state, means this tax was gone to the nobility or the monarch. The third type of tax was indirect tax. These were the taxes which were levied on the articles of daily need produced by different traders and business persons who engaged themselves in different businesses. They taken different type of indirect taxes or indirect amount of money on different products which were utilized by the population of France as their daily need, like they were taken indirect tax on salt, tobacco, etc. As we have discussed above, according to that, now you are knowing that the burden on financing activities of the state or France through taxes was borne only by the third estate alone. The 2 other estates like clergy and nobility were not provide any type of tax to the state. The taxes were only given by the middle class of the society. The third causes were economical causes. As previously we have discussed that when Louis XVI ascended the throne, that time the treasury of France was empty, and now you will think that why treasury of France was empty at the time of Louis XVI. So, long years of war had drained the financial resources of France. Added to this was the cost of maintaining an extravagant court at the immense palace of Versailles. Under Louis XVI, France helped the 13 American colonies also to gain their independence from the common enemy of France and America, which was Britain. And this war added more than $1 billion livres to a debt that had already risen to more than 2 billion livres. Livre was the name of the currency of France, and after that, the lenders who gave the state credit now began to charge 10% interest on loans from Louis XVI, so that Louis XVI's condition was going to be worst. Because of that, he decided to increase the taxes on middle class, and because of that, the condition of France became worst, and people decided to change the government of the country. In economical condition, we are also having that the third state of the society was unable to complete their daily needs, so that they were also faced many problems as the financial or economical condition. Because we are knowing that so many problems were faced by the common people of the French society during Louis XVI's rule, so that people of the French society decided that they have to change the system of the government and brought such type of system in which equality should be there and power should be divided among legislature, judiciary and executive.